Hello my friends and welcome back. So today's video we are going ahead and we are showing you a saddle bag. So let's get right into it. So this is a special edition saddle bag because they provide you with a cell phone screen. So let's go ahead and open this up, show you what this looks like. So inside here they provide you with tools needed for your bike, a fluorescent bag, plenty of storage space. You go ahead and open this up and your cell phone can get placed up in here, which we're about to show you. So we can go ahead and you place your cell phone up like this, strap it down in, and now your cell phone can be visible right up through here. But not only that, it's actually functionable. So you can actually use your cell phone. So we're not going to show you what we're doing, but as you guys saw, you can move your cell phone around here. So here we go. We can show you guys different things that you can do. So you can actually use your cell phone underneath here. So for mounting, they provide you with plenty of straps for mounting, but also this comes off so you can mount this and Velcro it right back on to make it stylish. Overall, this is really nice. There's a little bag inside here, a little pouch. Yeah, this is really nice. It's gonna work great. I'm very happy with this. I think you guys will be too. And the great thing about this, I think the best feature for this is the open and technology to allow you to touch your screen. So you can actually have your GPS on here and be able to see where you're at, monitor. Overall, it's a very, very nice saddle bag.